In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and import Notion templates, and as a bonus, you'll also get a free template to try out. Notion is a powerful tool that can help you organize your life, projects, and team collaborations seamlessly. Templates can be a real game changer in getting up and running quickly. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll first need to head over to the Notion website. This will be your main hub for browsing and using templates. It's important to ensure you're logged into your account to make the import process smooth and easy. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look for the Marketplace option. This is where you'll find a variety of templates created by other users and professionals tailored to meet different needs, whether it's for personal projects or team management. Now that you're in the marketplace, take your time to browse through the collection of templates available. You can explore different categories or use the search function to find a specific template. Finding the right template can save you time and offer inspiration for structuring your projects more effectively. Once you've decided on a template that fits your needs, simply click on it to learn more about its features. On the template page, you'll find detailed information about what the template includes, how it's structured, and user reviews. When you're ready to add it to your Notion setup, click on the Add to Private or Add to Workspace button. This action will integrate the template directly into your workspace, which you can access anytime and customize to fit your specific requirements. After adding the template, it's now part of your personal Notion environment. To start using it, simply click on the template within your workspace. This will open up the layout and tools designed for the specific use case of the template, allowing you to modify or fill it with your own content. Each template can be tweaked and adjusted, so don't hesitate to make any changes that will enhance its functionality for you. And there you have it. The template is now successfully integrated into your workflow, ready to assist you in managing whatever project or information you're working with. By following these steps, you're not just importing templates, but also expanding your productivity toolkit. Remember, the key benefit of templates is that they provide you with a foundational structure that you can build upon, making your life much easier and more organized. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to take advantage of that free template available for download. It's a great way to start experimenting and see the benefits of using templates in Notion. As always, feel free to explore and adapt these tools to suit your unique needs. Happy Notioning!